Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful stories and we draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. Very short, beautiful story and a true story. This is a true incident of an anthropologist. Who is an anthropologist? A person who studies humans. He studies human beings, he studies cultures, he studies their behavior, he studies them for a good amount of time. For example, they will study a certain set of people for, say, 20 years, 30 years, even 40 years if possible. So, this scientist was studying, anthropologist was studying a tribe in Africa. This name of the tribe is called Buntu tribe. Buntu. Buntu. Buntu tribe. Now, while being there, this person will often conduct good amount of experiments and all that. He had become the part of the community. And what this person did was he got a bowl of chocolate. So this person was from France and she had brought some chocolates and used to give treats to children. Children loved it. Tribal children had never ever seen that. So one day what he decided, he said, I will conduct a race. A race. Whoever wins will get the entire bowl of chocolates. So he kept at a distance about 100 meters away a bowl of chocolates, bowl full of chocolates. And he asked all the children to stand. The children are unbelievable. The age is just from, say, about 5 or 6 years old to about 11 or 12 years old. That's it. They're all lined up there, about 15 of them. And then he announces to them that, see, children, you can see there, we have a bowl of chocolate. Whoever wins can get the entire bowl. Only one person will be able to win. Whoever wins, it's whoever goes the fastest and collects it. Okay. Now, he thought the race would go normal, just like what exactly happens to us from whether in schools or college, whatever we see. But however, suddenly something happened. All the children held their hands. They were holding their hands. And the moment whistle said 1, 2, 3, they were holding their hands and they ran together. They went together, they reached their place together, whether from a 5-year-old to 11-year-old, they reached together, they took all the chocolate they shared with each other, and they were eating. He was completely amazed, this anthropologist. He said, I have not studied this behavior. What is this? Usually, they'll run, the fastest person will run, will collect it, and they keep everything to itself. What is this? And this is what we see. We saw it and we call it as being competitive, being competitive or competitive. Now, this behavior he had never seen. He called the children, what happened? Children, why anyone could have got it. So this is what one of the child replied. Ready? This is what one of the child replied and was the most transformational moment. Now this child said, sir, how can we be a winner if my other brothers and sisters lose? How can I be a winner when my own brothers and sisters lose? They're all my brothers and sisters, right? I cannot be happy if the others are sad. I cannot be happy if others are sad. This is a true story of Ubuntu tribe. And this concept is called as Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is taking together, the power of being togetherness. In other words, you should not say Ubuntu is the same thing, but Ubuntu tribe, Ubuntu is basically brotherhood or sisterhood, being together. Tomorrow we will be having one more story from the same tribe. These two things are recorded, and it's a very big lesson for you, me, everybody, for the entire humanity. The tribals whom we think they are from tribe, they're in the jungle, they're in the forest, they behave like us. They behave like this. However, we are competitive. What do we need in these days? That's your view. Come on, now you can start answering. What did you guys learn from this? What do we need today? Yeah.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Coach, being a team will always help you move forward together,
Mhm.
and being together will help you move forward faster.
Very nice.
Teamwork is dream work.
Very nice.
Coach, the real joy is when we share things with everybody and not do something alone.
Super.
Teamwork is dream work.
Teamwork is dream work.
Help the society instead of helping yourself.
Wonderful.
Being united will always make you stronger.
Sorry? Andre?
Being united will always make you stronger.
Super. Wonderful.
Working together is always better than working alone.
Working together is better than working alone.
Quality of a leader. A
Super.
leader, he alone not grow higher. He makes others also.
Incredible. Very nice.
You share in the future, everyone will share with you.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Within a life.
Spurti, wonderful young leader.
When
Very
you work together, you will get some creative ideas when you work alone. When you work alone, you won't get some creative ideas. When you work together, you can get some creative ideas to along with the people.
Abhinami, very good. Welcome back. Thank you.
If you give opportunities to everyone, you will also get an opportunity to win in the life.
Aprameya, very nice. Wonderful leader.
Coach, we are happy when we are share and grow together, not when we are win alone.
Wonderful.
When you work together, sometimes you might not get the biggest result as you might get alone, but it definitely will give you the biggest happiness which you can never find.
Super. Very
Unity is strength, and together we can all make a change.
wonderful. Everybody's participated. Shavan? Yeah, you participated. Yeah. Smriti, you did?
No, coach. Success together makes powerful.
Very nice. Wonderful. Thank you, everybody, for participating. Humanity will be a very big success. Humanity will do really well if we believe in collaboration, cooperativeness, coordination, and co creation rather than being competitive. If you want to be competitive to your own self. I was this like this yesterday. I have to be better like this. Today I am this. I should compete with myself to become a better individual, a better person. But with others, humanity has a better chance of being happy, being harmonious. If we are collaborative, if we are cooperative, if we coordinate and we co-create with good communication, with clear communication. That's how we can grow together. Thank you everybody for participating. Now, everybody, Vishal, everybody sit in Vajrasana. Rohit, can you give me a call by 7:30, please?
Okay, coach.
Okay. Yeah. Everybody in Gyan Mudra. This is Gyan Mudra. Vishal, you are on spotlight, and I am still out of station. I have workshops to begin with. Over to Sudan. She is your host. Everybody close your eyes, sit straight. Lakshay, सीधा सीधा बैठो. Everybody close your eyes, sit straight. Very nice, Aprameya. You removed your glasses. No movement, my dear. This is just 1 minute of meditation. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Focus on your breathing. Just focus on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Thirty more seconds. Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. You're all superhumans.
Let's start with alternate ways of breathing.
Purti leader, alternate nasal breathing. Lakshay, focus.
Let's start with breathing. Hum. 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 Let's start to energizer, low speed, low energy to high speed, high energy, high energy. Start. Block your arms and start with a short gratitude. Thank yourself for being such an amazing person, always so kind, always so caring. Thank yourself for focusing on your goals, for focusing on yourself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank every single part of your body, every single cell for functioning healthy, for helping you to keep moving forward. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank yourself for being self-aware. Thank yourself for remembering things properly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank yourself for working as a team. Thank your mom and dad for giving you everything, food to eat, shelter to live in, clothes to wear. They do so much sacrifice for your satisfaction. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the Mother Nature for giving food, water, oxygen. Without it, they can't live it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your coaches, teachers, mentors, tutors for always helping you, for always pushing you forward and helping you to come up in life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank each and everything which you own, which you don't own. Thank anyone and everyone whom we know, whom we don't know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Visualize a white bright light in the universe and enters into your body. This white bright light travels all over your body, from your head, neck, chest, abdomen, hands, fingers, legs, toes. Head to toe, toe to head, flows this white bright light. As it flows, it removes all the negativity from your body and brings back positive energy. The right state of mind, start visualizing your goals, long-term goals, short-term goals, goals today, goals tomorrow. Start. Slowly let go of your hands, hands on your heart, and repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm strong. I'm powerful. I focus on my goals. I take steps to move towards my goal every single day. I'm a powerful presenter. I'm a confident communicator. I'm born to win. I'm born to lead. I am a champion. I'm a leader. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. I am a superhuman. Going to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one. Second one. Third one. Gently open your eyes.
Everybody, live purposefully, live powerfully. You're all indeed superhumans. Happy morning, everybody. Have a great day
Happy
ahead.
morning, coach.
Have a
Thank you,
great day,
coach.
coach.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.